Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitter account to your NodePay airdrop. So how do you connect it? So what you need to do is I'm going to show you my dashboard now, and you're going to see how we're going to connect our Twitter account very easily. So what I need to do is I'm going to show you my dashboard now. So this is my dashboard. So what you need to do is you have to come to this your dashboard here, and then you scroll up. When you scroll up, you see mission and reward. Click on mission and reward. Then you're going to come here and go and find your Twitter. You're going to say connect to Twitter. I'm going to even receive a reward. There you can see this is connect your Twitter. Just click on connect your X, which is your Twitter account. So just click on connect Twitter here. Once you click on connect Twitter, it's going to take you directly to Twitter. You can see it's been rolling. So you can see they say authorize NodePay to access your account. Click on authorize app. Now they say you are redirecting the application, so you have to wait for it to take you to your Twitter account, and it's going to take to my Twitter account. So it's very easy. Just wait for it to load. It is still loading. Is accessing the account. Okay, now I think it has been connected. Let me show you. It has been connected. Very easy. Just click on it and you're going to see it. Let me go and show you. Okay, you can see. So I have to claim this now. Just click on claim, and I've claimed this one. I think I've claimed this one too. So let me click on claim, and we have done. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.